What's up, guys? So I posted a survey on my IG stories last week asking if you guys would want to see makeup videos with throwback makeup products, and survey says that you guys are just as bored as I am, because you do. So let's do this. Today's makeup look is going to be the OG throwback, the Naked palette. I don't know about you guys, but this was like my first name brand eyeshadow palette. I think I want to do one smoky look with this and one soft look. So I'm gonna do two different eyes. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do two different eyes. So I'm going to use Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion. I didn't really experiment with this palette like that when I got it. I just was like frustrated with the fact that the pigment wasn't really that great on my skin, so I just kind of stopped using it. So I'm gonna go in on both eyes is buff. Like I said, this palette requires a lot of building, so bear with me. We're going to go in with the color Virgin. Color Sin. Toasted, which is like a rose gold. Take the color Toasted again. Now I'm gonna go in with this black glitter color Creep. Then I'm going to go over that with the color Gunmetal, which is like a blue. Final review of this palette. It's not the greatest, but it's also not the worst. It does have a lot of fallout. It's really messy. It takes a long time to build. I'm not that patient. I fast forwarded the video, but it really did take me a long time because I constantly had to just keep building and building these colors. Otherwise, it was giving me like that patchy kind of eyeshadow. So these are the final looks using the Naked palette. And yes, I will be wearing both these eyeshadow looks. Period.